Alright guys, I just got these new lights from Suparee and I'm pretty excited about these. These are they're a halo, but they're a different kind of halo, and I'm gonna replace these. These are Suparee lights as well, and to be honest, I've had these going on 4 years now and no issues with the halo or anything. To be honest, I just really like these better. So we're gonna take a look at it. Comes with instructions. I'm assuming the QR code is for the app. This is the Bluetooth controller. So for the lights, I can also attach the turn signal to them. These are not, because I already have these. So I don't know. I might. We'll see. Packaged really well. These are the anti-flicker. And I already have some, so I probably won't even need these. And then just more wires for the turn signal. Sweet! So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get the hood up, start the install. Really shouldn't take me very long. And yeah, we'll get these rolling. I'm excited. First thing I'm gonna do is remove my existing lights, and then we'll go from there. I got it all plugged in. It's working good. So now I just need to download the app and see if I can change the colors and then just clean up some of my wires, and then I am done. So there's a QR code on the Bluetooth. So Android, install, open, allow. So now it's trying to connect to the Bluetooth, and it looks like it did it. Connecting. There we go. How sweet is that? That is looking mean. Different modes. Looks like a candy cane just in time for Christmas. It's pretty cool. So anyway, that's it guys. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, but make sure you like, subscribe. Fergie the JKU, check me out. FergieTheJKU.com. I got a bunch of discount codes, all that good stuff. I'll have a blog with these lights on it, and yeah. Thanks guys.